Insta's Ponder review. I'm on the members area of Insta's Ponder. So today's review, I'm going to be reviewing a product that will help you automate the entire Instagram affiliate marketing game, as it's very tough to keep track on your phone. So if you wanted to automate, you are come to the right place, and Insta's Ponder is the right product for you. Insta Z Ponder or Insta's Ponder, however you call it as. So before we get ahead into the video, actually there's a free training about to help you in the internet marketing journey. So if you want to really get better at this game, you can just click the link in the description below, and I offer a free training on internet affiliate marketing. So back to the product. Insta's Ponder is a revolutionary new software app. It's a cloud-based app, so which allows you to automate your entire Instagram marketing, and you can so that you can tap into almost 1 billion followers who are there on this platform. So make sure you stay till the end of this video, as I'm going to be telling you about my bonuses. I have put in a fantastic set of bonuses which will really up your game in Instagram marketing, and I'll be telling you about the upsells, the OTOs, and also I'll be giving a demo of this particular product, so that you can make an informed decision on what you're buying is whether it is right for you or not. So if you are new to this channel, I'm Prakash here. I'm a digital affiliate marketer, and I make videos like this from time to time. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest on this particular internet marketing. And also I do a lot of reviews on info products, so you can have a good peek into the whole thing. So at any time during this particular video, if you want to have a look at the actual product, just click the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page, and there you can grab this particular product. In a nutshell, I would say Insta's Ponder is the world's first cloud-based automation app for direct messaging and scheduled posts for Instagram marketing. For scheduling your post, you can schedule a post on this with for Instagram marketing. Insta's Ponder is newbie friendly and doesn't require any tech skills or marketing experience, or any person without any knowledge of coding can be used will be able to use this product. So you can make good money using Insta's Ponder, as you can sell a lot of products, affiliate products on this, and so basically it is you can make some good money in this particular on this particular platform. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then click the link in the description below. This will be taking you to my bonus page, which looks something like this, and you have to scroll down on my bonus page and click on this red button. This red button will be live as of 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 9th June, and then you will be directed to my to a sales page which looks something like this. You just click on this red button here, and you can make a purchase on this product, and this product is going to cost you around $12.95 only. So I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses, because I have put in a lot of bonuses, I told you, which can up your game in the affiliate marketing, especially with the Instagram. So you can just have a look till the end of just wait till the end of the video, so that you will know a lot about the bonuses. So just let us have a look at the demo now before I proceed to explain about my bonuses.
What if you were able to automatically market to over 1 billion potential buyers, 100% hands-free? Imagine being able to place your link in front of billions of real people looking for solutions. Do you know how much traffic that could potentially give you? Now imagine being able to put this on complete autopilot. This is exactly what we are able to do to produce insane profits day in and day out, totally hands-free. You could tap into this massive marketplace and start sending traffic to affiliate offers, CPA offers, your own products, or just about anything. This means you could pull in leads and commissions on total autopilot, create a huge following, or build a huge email list. There's no limit to what you could achieve. Now I'm sure I've got your attention, as I'm positive this is exactly what you would like to start doing. Am I right? If you answered yes, then this video and what we have to offer is exactly what you need. Firstly, let me answer the big question you're probably asking. How is all of this even possible? Well, we have built a revolutionary new software app that automates your leads and sales and taps into an insanely huge marketplace. The marketplace is called Instagram. It's now the preferred traffic source over Google and even Facebook. Plus, if you have tried to generate traffic and sales with Instagram in the past and failed, then you're on the right page. Because what we have created changes the playing field completely. You don't need a big following. You don't need any experience at all. You don't need to spend any money on paid ads. In fact, you don't need anything to make this work for you. All of this is possible because of this new revolutionary software called Instaponder. Instaponder is unlike anything you have ever seen. It truly does automate 100% of your Instagram marketing using a new smart technology. Instaponder comes with a web-based automated Instagram direct messenger and autoresponder. You can add unlimited Instagram accounts under the one control panel. It automates messages, a welcome text to new followers, and even auto sends any offer or promotional material you like. It sends direct messages to anyone you have an open conversation with. It automatically detects unfollowers, and the system will try to keep them in by sending a message, promo code, or even asks them why they unfollowed you. It creates lists of leads based off what they followed in any niche you can imagine. It messages any list of leads based on their behavior on Instagram. You can automate any type of message to your followers, people that you are following, or even any size list of users based off their interests and more. You can set specific dates and times for your messages to go out based on their activities. It even has a content rewriting feature so you can send a different message to every lead, all done automatically. You can even schedule posts, images, and videos. Look, the options and features are almost endless. And yes, it's 100% hands-free for autopilot lead generation and sales. So you could be producing results while you're sleeping or spending time doing the things that are important to you. Instaponder will continue to drive traffic and sales without you needing to slave away at the keyboard. Now here's how simple it is to put Instaponder into action. Step 1, you need to click on the button below and grab Instaponder at the discounted price. Then log in to your Instaponder account. Step 2, follow the detailed training and simple steps to set up your first Instaponder campaign in just a few clicks. Step 3 is just watch your audience grow and let the automation get you targeted free traffic and sales. It really is as simple as 1, 2, 3 to finally start producing a flood of free traffic and commissions. And remember, you don't need hosting, you don't need domains, you don't need websites or page builders. You'll save time, headaches, and a fortune. Everything you will need is inside Instaponder. It doesn't matter what your business model is or even if you're just starting out, because Instaponder does it all. Be it affiliate marketing, high-ticket offers, consulting, coaching, e-commerce, CPA, selling your own products, or even building an email list. Look, to be successful at any of these, you're going to need traffic. And not just any traffic. You need high-quality, highly targeted traffic that you can get 100% hands-free. And this is exactly what Instaponder does with just a few mouse clicks. Imagine being able to tap into 1 billion potential leads, automate your marketing, and produce hordes of traffic and sales, all on complete autopilot. If this is what you want, which I'm sure the answer is yes, then you need to get started using Instaponder today. It really doesn't get any easier than this. And because we know the results that you can achieve with Instaponder and just how powerful this app is, that's why as soon as this introductory launch ends, we will be selling it for a reoccurring price of $97 per month. However, because this is an introductory offer and we want to get Instaponder into as many people's hands as possible, if you act right now, you can get your hands on Instaponder for a one-time, seriously low investment that will never be repeated again. Look, as soon as the timer on this page hits 0, the price will be going up. But to sweeten the deal, we are even throwing in these fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a step-by-step Instaponder setup checklist, so you can use Instaponder like a pro. Bonus number 2 is a step-by-step checklist to implement the system that has actually brought us in thousands of dollars in profits using Instaponder. Bonus number 3 is access to our members-only Instaponder Facebook group. Now, all of these bonuses and the super discounted one-time price are only on offer right now. If you leave and come back later, you'll likely miss out altogether. So today you can get the new Instaponder software app to generate endless leads and sales on total autopilot, the step-by-step Instaponder implementation video training, the live case study of exactly what we do to run successful campaigns using Instaponder, premium member support, and the 3 additional bonuses for the crazy one-time investment you'll see below. Look, we are that confident you'll love the traffic and sales you could generate using Instaponder that we are even backing it up with a risk-free 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. The time to take action and start getting results is now, because if you come back later, you'll end up paying the monthly price. The sooner you take action, the sooner you could be generating traffic and profits using the Instaponder app. So go ahead and click the button below to gain access to everything. Click below right now and we'll see you in the members area.
Yeah, so just that was a demo video for you. Now just let us have a look at the bonuses. I told you how to come to this bonus page. You just click the link in the description below, that will bring you to my bonus page. Just scroll down this page and you will find all the bonuses that I have put in for you. The bonus number 1 is, I just want to talk to you about the bonuses now. The bonus number 1 what I have put in for you is Instagram, access to the number 1 course on Instagram influencers. So inside this bonus you will get access to the complete course on tips and tricks of Instagram influencers used to gain followers, and you will also learn how to prevent mistakes newbies make on Instagram. So this is my bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is how to boost your Instagram sales. This is my bonus number 2, and in this bonus you will learn how to replicate top marketers and the tricks they use to boost your business on Instagram and to get more sales. So this is my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is you will be getting access to how to learn to edit and post on Instagram like a pro. This is a small course which will help you how to edit and post on Instagram like a pro. So this is my bonus number 3, and bonus number 4 is you will be getting boost your Instagram followers using these effective strategies. This is a small course, again, how to boost your Instagram followers by using these effective strategies. So in this bonus you will learn some of the most effective and proven methods to gain more followers on Instagram. This will increase the chances of making a sale on Instagram. So for affiliate marketing, this is a very good sort of program. So bonus number 5 is learn how to build your buyers list after making a sale. So this is very important. Unless you make a buyers list, it will be very difficult for you to follow up on them and sell them more products. So this is my bonus number 5 is, so you will be getting this particular it's a small info course you will be getting. And bonus number 6 is 2 powerful Instagram traffic sources. So this is a very powerful course. So posting and gaining followers is only half the part. The other part is amount of engagement you get on the post. So in this bonus you will get access to 2 powerful source of traffic that you can use and increase your engagement. So this is my bonus number 6. So bonus number 7 is, I will be giving you all the bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you. So this is the bonus number 7. So all the bonuses are yours for 100% free of charge, and also all the 6 bonuses and also the vendor bonuses are 100% free of charge, even though you pick up the front end of this program, which is going to just cost you around 12.95 US dollars. To get all these bonuses, all you need to do is click the link in the description below. It will come to my bonus page. This is my bonus page. Just click on any of these red buttons. It will take you to the sales page like this. Just click on this red button and you will get access to this program. Now the thing is, how do you get access to these bonuses? It's very easy. All you once you click on this button, it will take you to Warrior Plus, and from Warrior Plus you will come to a page which looks something like this after you make the payment. So just click on the username, and just there'll be a drop down menu here. Just click on purchase history. It will come through to a page, a receipt page, which looks something like this. You just click on this green button, you get access to the purchase, and you click on this blue button which is access affiliate bonus. So click on that button and you're going to get all my 6 bonuses for you here. The vendor bonuses I'll be telling you, you'll be getting it directly in the members area. So this is about the bonuses, guys. I just want to tell you about what are the OTOs or the one-time offers that this particular vendor has put in for you. The the price of the front end I told you is 12.95 US. So the front end is going to cost you around only 12.95. So the OTO 1, the checklist on how to set up the chatbot system. So priority support in case you have any issues using the software. We will answer your questions within 24 hours or less. Free hosting for the first 100 buyers. So this is OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is $47. So guys, I don't want to read this thing for you. You can just come and have a look at your own time as to what are these OTOs, and this is the thing. So before I just get into, and also OTOs is a downsell here. The first OTO is $27 and there's a downsell at $17. So just have a look at this chart so that you know that there's a downsell here for all these particular products, so that you can make an informed decision on whether this product is useful for you or not. I just want to quickly go into the sales page before I jump into the members area. So this is the sales page, guys. A revolutionary new software app allows you to automate your entire Instagram marketing so that you can tap into over 1 billion potential customers on total autopilot in just seconds. So this is what this thing is all about, guys. And here you got a video which tells you about what this particular thing is. And also as we scroll down this page, you got a lot of testimony. He's Ken Prosser, who's the promoter of this particular product. Then you have got a lot of testimonials about how to about the money they have made and what it can do, how you can do it in 3 easy steps. There's a demo video also here. And so you can, as you scroll down, you've got some testimonials, and also there's a 30-day money back guarantee, guys, as usual. So you've got nothing to lose. You can just see this product and no questions asked, money back guarantee for 30 days. So This is the sales page, guys. So just now let us look into the home page, the members area, or what the members area looks like. So I've given you a demo of the entire product prior to this in the same video. In the beginning, I have given you a demo. So I will not be going to the demo. I'll just quickly go into this members area. So this is the training course, guys. It's a very beautiful training course put in here, which I just wanted to go what all the training course, what it entails is. Grab the app here. Module 1, getting your business foundations, setting up your affiliate funnel. Module 3, the foundations for IG marketing. Module number 4 is it will be telling you about the hashtag traffic strategy, IG content creation for traffic. Module 5. Module 6 is how to get 10,000 IG followers. Module number 7 is how to automate new IG followers with Insta spawner messages. And module number 8 is scheduling IG posts manually and in Insta Ponder app. So this is basically, I told you, the scheduling app where you can do automatic marketing. And module number 9 is using the direct messenger feature. And module number 10 is everyday Instagram marketing plan. So you got a fantastic training program, guys. And these are all the features which will coming up to you. These are all what do you call upsells, guys. So all this and what are the bonuses you will be getting here? All the bonuses here, the vendor bonuses we will be getting it over here. And so this is what is all about this particular software, Insta's Ponder. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys, and also hit the notification bell so that I can be posting more videos like this. And this will also help me get more traffic to this particular YouTube video. So I keep making videos like this. So until my next video, thank you and goodbye.